If you dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine, I be say you turn that gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia 1, the Ogbonge television station when they on top of UHF channel 57. And today, when be Monday, as we dey always do, we dey tear the nylon come out on top of all of the action tori wey happen inside Obodo Nigeria for the weekend. And my name na Ezugo Chukwudi. I no dey alone inside studio. Normally, I go try and go give my brother Nkubi. But based on say Christmas don nearly reach, and Nkubi village people come decide say this year na him go do Father Christmas. The chief priest for their village come send message say make him carry waka come village to come wear Father Christmas clothes. Nkubi come start the waka on Friday night, and I hear say him dey stone throw away from village because na trek. Na mean trek. But I get Ogbonge visitor wey me say her presence alone go dilute the fact say Nkubi no dey here. I go clear my throat before I introduce her because she na special person. When it come to society work, she don't do her own. So she don't become honorable for that kind of level. She come from royal family, that is to say, if you see her, you must bow your head because of say, now royal blood they flow through her veins. Honorable Princess Folashade Olabanji Oba. Your Olabanji when they in front now because of say, as a true child of him papa and mama, she do well reach the when we say, him papa and mama come decide say, this is our name. Even though you don't marry husband, we go use super glue, still government, because you are a true child of your parents. Honorable Princess Folashade Olabanji Oba. Welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, sir. You get as if you all this long.
You do, but you know, say your record there now. Now
God will bless you well.
Amen.
Thank you,
we
sir.
just take am small. Welcome to Aside Hot. Nkubi no dey now. He don call the same message say make come do Father Christmas for village. So he go confirm whether he go do or he no do. But as we dey do am every Monday, we dey tear the nylon come out on top of all of the action tori wey happen inside Obodo Nigeria for weekend. And we go get some kind of interesting stories, drop them down, make we look am one by one. Then we go start with the first one. The first one, a very interesting story. Now something wey start on the 21st of November. On the 5th of December, that is this Saturday when pass, now everything can end. It get to do with the election for inside Kogi State. After INEC conduct the election on November 21, two of the people wey be say they carry first for the election, the late Prince Abubakar Audu and also Captain Idris Wada, the incumbent governor, two of them are then stand out. The late Prince Abubakar Audu scored over 240,000 votes, and Captain Idris Wada scored over 199,000 votes. But something can't happen. They declare the election inconclusive because of say the place when be say the people wey no vote or the one when they cancel pass all the people when be say Oga the late Audu they use the lead Captain Idris Wada, and they contact on the 5th of December they go do another one. But drama can't dey inside because James Faleke when be the person when be say the party talk say now you go be our deputy. He tear eye say no, he no go agree. Say the way when the election day. Oga Prince Abubakar Audu don win the election, and based on saying be deputy, now he suppose don sit down for inside the chair. He carry waka enter court. Captain Idris Wada carry waka enter court say person wey don kpai no dey participate for election. Say him when be say him dey alive and na him be the leading person now. Say na him dey suppose declare governor. But court come talk say they no fit dey look election wey never finish. Say na until the election finish, na they will go election tribunal. But for the supplementary polls when we say INEC conduct, he can't come out clearly say the people of Kogi State they won't change. And Yahaya Bello, Alhaji Yahaya Bello, when we say the APC talk say now he go replace Oga Abubakar Audu, now he win the election. He get one interesting thing when happen for inside Kogi State. Continuation of what happened for March 28th and April 11. Kogi election play out peacefully. Wahala no day, yes. Fight no day.
Yes, sir.
I come on ask. Shey say na the people themselves, na then they want peace. Abi you get the kind breeze when go blow enter the state when go be like say no make a break am now. Shey we need spiritual help or divine intervention before we fit get free and fair election, or na just common sense?
You don't talk plenty. I don't even know which angle to start.
Any angle.
But the one wey happen for Kogi, first and foremost, make I first say make the soul of Prince
Abubakar
Abubakar Audu. Make it rest in peace. But the situation where we find ourselves for Kogi is like we know things say something like that fit happen. The election itself go peacefully, everything, but as that man come by like you talk even the constitution no prepare for that kind big lacuna where we find ourselves. But for me, I think say the people of Kogi, then they're ready for the true change. So I go congratulate our governor-elect. Say at least, I thank God say INEC, they do better job, because any which way, if you look at that kind of situation, you know they that kind easy to solve, because if you go left go say na this, if you go right. But the rule of law, at the end of the day, nine matter most. And for now, any which way you look at, you go no say na the APC get am. Yes.
So it's very clear, say, if we want to do election for this country, we as a people,
yes,
if we don't talk, say, okay, see what we want, all of us go just come out peacefully, come do the election.
Yes.
Not be until, say, because we don't know to say for this country, now only this country be the country where we say, we know they at war, but because of, say, election they come, some people don't talk some kind of things down, say, if we don't win this election, what go happen? We can't lead to the sign agreement. The only place when I know when they sign agreement now where crisis dey the country, we can't need to the sign agreement. So this one don't show, say, if we get election for this country when we say free and fair, no violence whatsoever, but now
the little but minimal.
But now our hand it
now our hand it yes.
No be say we can't talk, say everybody must do 3 days compulsory fasting and prayer,
or else while go there.
Okay, so this one not very, very clear. From Kogi, we can enter the twin brother of Kogi State.
Bayelsa.
Bayelsa. You don't already talk, even before you don't already, the thing you don't talk, but make a break now. December 5th. This election, some people describe them as the battle for the soul of Bayelsa State.
Yes.
Why do you think they're very interesting? Because say our former president, President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, when we say for the election when they do for March 28th, in carry second. Make a note of say they beat and way, but in carry second because he score plenty. He carry second. And Bayelsa State in conference. So we can talk say if PDP no win the election for Bayelsa State, it go show say indeed Nigerians don't tire. They don't watch there and say this party. It be like say somehow we don't want to do anything with them again. But going into the election, these are two heavyweights because two of them, one don't serve as governor, one na present governor. So two of them they don't taste the house. They call the government house Creek Haven. They don't taste there. So they sabi all the nook and crannies when they inside there.
Yes.
And some people don't come and say, PDP people they talk say the way when they see this election say now from Abuja now they carry remote control.
They
no
control so
now wetin the governor now wetin the governor talk and they talk. And the APC people they talk say say PDP people they don't prepare say they go back to 1999 go carry one textbook when they get that textbook now how Ojoro 101. Now they say they write for the front of the textbook. I just talk that one, make people not us. But they say they carry Ojoro 101, say dust down there on top, then clean them, say this election, we must win this election. But the election don't come, they don't go. The exact
never go, they never finish now.
But they don't vote finish. But the exact position of this election now, it be like say, we don't know.
We don't know, we still
because INEC never come out talk say, now like this the election go. So based on say INEC don't already want people say, if we never talk say, see the way when election go, we don't talk about that.
Not true.
But we go talk about some other kind of things. Before the election even starts, they say they don't give, some people don't chop slap.
Yes.
Some people they don't tell them say if you come out you are in trouble.
They fight.
They don't already they trade blame say now these people they do and these people they, I won't come ask why it be say desperation why desperation for election. See as I rhyme, desperation for election. She not just say I won't date here by force. One, I won't serve my people because I love them by force. Two. Or now pocket something. Now I don't know. Now you go talk. Now you go talk.
I think all of us for this country we get to really search our mind. Whether na the service where we want serve, I be na stomach infrastructure, I be na the pockets wey we dey try to take care of.
Exactly.
You know, because nothing will be like do or die affair. But for my brothers and sisters for Bayelsa, you know, say, you get one word when you talk Bayelsa, the next word where everybody go remember na militant. So, it begin to tell me, say, na the mind, the way we don't program our mind. Say, it's either you take oil or na do or die affair. And it's not supposed to be so.
Exactly.
It's not supposed to be so. If person really wants serving people, you don't need to kill or hurt the people where you want serve. You're supposed to, now them go fight. Say, okay,
now this person we want. Exactly.
And because, you know, and we can dialogue not until you carry cane, carry gun, carry cutlass, they kill each other. You know.
Exactly.
You know what?
Mommy, the way when your voice just, you know, the way it be like say, Uncle, make Christmas no end, making just day there. Because the way when you they use coolness, they explain all this thing, my mind just the sweet. Make we enter the next story. This one get to do with something when we say, a lot of Nigerians, they think about, it affect everybody. Now, petrol, I go talk petrol. The Independent Petroleum Marketers Association of Nigeria, IPMAN, the Lagos branch, they don't come out and talk, say, the way when we say the Department of Petroleum Resources, they take in their words, harass, intimidate, close filling stations anyhow. Say they no like them. Say because their members are law-abiding members.
And you yourself, you think say they law-abiding.
Now what did they talk?
Now the hunter becomes the hunted. Now themselves they terrorize us Nigerians.
But this fuel matter, I don't know. Shena say, no, I won't understand though. I know. They touch me, but make a break them down. It be like say the people when they involved, they don't really care about Nigerians
at all. Because
this one don't show say, not be just government. Make we talk through because the government of President Muhammadu Buhari, over a month ago, 413 billion naira. Now I mean government talk say okay, we go take and pay subsidy. So that Nigerians no go they suffer too much.
Yes.
The people when they bring this oil, they go bring and come, people go get. But it can't be like say some people still maybe they don't trust government because you know not be say government there's a big lie where
not be say not be lie. This one now.
Okay, this government no they lie.
And well, this one now integrity now we take hold am.
But some people when they lie they inside.
I don't know about that though. But the one where I know where we go say the leadership of this government where we get now PNB Oga PNB, his name stand for integrity.
Exactly.
You no go there for wayo for you.
Exactly. But make we come break them down now. If man they talk say some of the officials of DPR.
Yes.
Say now because of say they go talk say give me this or give me that. If the person say no, I will not give you. Automatically they come look say by the power when I get, as you not give me this,
me say I go do you like this.
I go do you like this. So we know say our Oga, our president, our papa, PNB, na man of integrity. 1
minute, then go say na 10 naira. Then pay them the 10 naira. They say that 10 naira now for yesterday. How many years ago where you don't owe me? That one don't settle. Now this one na another bill. Now make we give you again. You know, it's like you hold them here, then go here, go them. They are wild too much.
But make we talk true. Agreement is agreement. Government, or even would they talk say government exists in continuum. That is to say, government know the end, they continue.
That's so.
Whether this government and new government government is permanent.
Yes.
So if you they owe this person, you need to pay him. Make we even keep that one aside. The one when they worry me and say, for country when we say we they blessed with oil, we get refinery, we feed they produce. Why he be say we still they dependent on some marketers to go they bring this thing, they come inside Nigeria, come they say. It just be like person when they live near river, can still go they buy water, they use they put inside swimming pool. Mommy, I don't know if you understand this when I talk.
I understand.
It is somehow you they live near river and to bath, you they find water.
They try to translate one proverb where they my head because now Yoruba the thing they
talk am.
But the thing now the important thing be say now from foundation. Now the thing don't dey faulty. Because the way where they take plan am from time, you know, not too good for the sustainability of this our country. Exactly. Some people they benefit from the thing wey because the thing no dey work.
Then they benefit from there.
Yes, na im
they chop.
yes, na there dem dey chop. So those kind people, as you dey try to make am right, they no go want am na because e go be say you don comot food
for their mouth.
For their mouth.
But this one go a long way to show say some of these people they no like better thing for Nigerians, because if you dey benefit from bad thing, if na from badness your own pocket dey swear, a lot of people dey suffer. If some people talk say that they queue 5 hours.
Yes, so
to buy fuel.
Me sef.
Mommy, you join queue.
I no go. How I go? I no go join queue.
They suppose just give you now.
It affect all of us. And even when the thing dey really bad, I don't buy even 400 naira.
400 per liter.
This country, God go help us. Yes.
But mommy, we know say God go help us, but make we put that God go help us for one side. Make we can't help ourselves.
Say na the reality bite. Because
okay, we get oil. We get refineries. Wetin we go fit do to dey make these things work? Simple. And wetin we go fit do to stop those people wey be say dem dey benefit from bad things?
You know say Oga PMB don say we go comot the subsidy. The money wey we go take from that subsidy is dey enough for us to now do the refineries and everything to put the structure solidly wey go make our own oil. We go dey do everything better. No be say we go comot the oil from here, carry am go obodo, come do am, and then bring am back, come sell. Na double kini. But you know, small. I think our people go understand the language when he talk. When they say, you know, sometimes you go say you dey suffer small, but on the long run, you go come dey better.
You go come to enjoyment
for all of us.
Mommy, you did see one we don't talk now. In my mind, sweet, because you know, they say women, now them be the, I don't know how they talk about. You get one thing when they talk about women, say women, and then they bring joy, happiness, peace, now they enter. And if we get Nigerian women, when we say that they're passionate about this country and they talk, because I don't tire. Every time, men. Now then they talk, now then they do this, now then they do that. But if we get women like you, when they're passionate about this country and then they contribute, at least with your soft voice, if you they talk the men when their heart strong they go they look say okay, let's do it like this, and things go dey better. Thank you very much. But we can't go this next story. This one get to do with something when we say a lot of people talk say fear they catch them or say why e be say this our law people they won't carry us go back to the olden days. It get to do with the law against anyhow talk, especially on top of social media. Last week we hear say Bala Ibn Allah, senator when they represent Kebbi State, say him and some others they sponsor one bill. Say they propose say people when I go speak English. They say a bill against frivolous petitions. Say some people go wake up and say this man chop money. They don't get any evidence, so they use them. They spoil the good name of the man. They allow him no concentrate. This man chop money. That man chop money. That man chop money. They're going to say okay now. Before anybody go come and tell anybody chop money, you must carry affidavit, go court, say this thing when I talk is the truth and nothing but the truth, so that in case that thing you just want to use and spoil the person name, court go back you. But some people don't talk, say he did our law already. Say if person defame your character or assassinate your character, he get ways when you go take secret dress. And if you be public office holder, anybody can ask you any question because now your vote, now our vote, now you carry you put for there.
Now then you deserve.
Exactly, but some people come to say some people they take advantage of say right to freedom of expression. And they use that they do anyhow. So
they abuse them too much.
Look our president or say no be say I dey talk now I just dey give example say our president he no dey romantic. Say say na only how many women he put as minister. Say he no fit shake woman. Now what this one people dey talk go say he no fit shake woman. Say in the shame, in the shy. Our order before president talk say around 11 o'clock say him eye go don close because of say some kind mommy me I no talk that one. Some kind now what this one people dey talk
but this
one if it be true, if it not be true, but what people dey talk we say e go dey right for people when they craft our law to talk say make these people no talk even no matter as the talk bad reach. So
no me I no support that one. No make I talk true. I no talk no any how you go say make people no get freedom of speech, but you go fit do the one where you go say make them dey careful.
Make they know they talk
anyhow. Make they no
abuse that
make
right.
They no abuse that right. But now everybody right freedom of speech. You know How you go say you wan take that one comot from person?
And mommy, the kind punishment
that
wey
kind one no go see light of day.
The kind punishment wey dem put for that thing na serious one o.
I see am now.
Say person go jail, person go pay millions as fine.
Na so.
If people wey never even get money to buy data.
Na the social media na im dey make everything dey better now. But the only thing say, you know say for everything, if you no know the purpose why you dey do something, you go tend to abuse am.
Thank you.
So people dey abuse am fine, but the people wey no abuse am, why you go come take everything come punish? That means you dey limit the way wey.
Mommy, this is when you talk now. You know, say sometimes some people dey look you say, this mommy, is she a broom mommy or umbrella mommy?
I be broom o.
But the way when you dey talk am the way when the thing be. You dey talk am as true, because some people go talk say, no, we must, but you talk am say everybody still get that, because at the end of the day, these people na then queue to put you for that office.
Yes.
Quickly, we go rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll enter the second part of our discussion. This one, they're very, very important as it get to do with girls, women, and everybody inside Obodo Nigeria. No go anywhere nasty as it hot.